Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my another new English factors video. This is Mohammad Frantale. Today I am gonna to tell you now why do I use airports when I walk my land. At this moment I am walking my land as well as I am listening native English speaker speech. So I don't want to wastage my too much valuable time. I don't want to spend my too much powerful time. That's why every day when I walk my land and my field, that time I must listening native English speaker speech. Such as some time ago I was hearing Elon Musk, Steve Jobs and Barack Obama speech. So what is the benefit this speech? Actually when I hear this speech, that time I focus this person body language, pronunciation, sentence making pattern and new modern vocabulary. Actually I like it and I believe it. If I want to be a fluent English speaker, I must have to every day minimum 2 hours 3 hours listening practice. It's one kind of most important and most of the powerful to improve our speaking English. Let's go to example. So actually listening work one kind of input. If I don't give input, if I never I will give output. If I want to be input output, at first I have to take input. So when I hear native English speaker, this work to take input and I am taking input this native English speaker and afterwards I will give input. So that's why at this moment I'm working my field as well as I am hearing native English speaker speech. And which type of and most of the important thing, which type of video I most of the like, such as I don't like several topic video. This type of topic all time I try to avoid, and I am very like blog video, some English cartoon and public speaker speech. All time I'm trying to listening this type of speech. If I don't like this type of which type of speech I don't like, all time avoid this type of speech. So English is not just a subject but also English is a language. So if I want to be a fluent English speaker, I have to listening, I have to practice, I have to writing, I have to reading. These 4 types are very important to improve my speaking English level. No more today, inshallah. Try to next day. I will try another video, another topic, discuss with you. That's all about today video topic. Pray for me.